Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today I want to show you my Holy Grail foundation that is best suited for a combination skin or anything. It is basically the Pro Longwear by MAC. It's an oldie but a goodie. I love this foundation so much, and today I want to show you how I apply it on my face. So let's get right into it. First off, I use the MAC Fix Plus to prop my face. I love this. This is the lavender one. Maybe you can see the little purple hue on the bottle. I love it. It smells really good and it's the best ever. All right. So my face is primed and then I take the foundation and I just kind of squirt a little bit out. Like 2 pumps should be enough. And first I start with my flat top kabuki. I love this brush because it just it spreads the foundation really well, and we'll go right in. And I just kind of dot this all over. For now. All right, and then I will have my mirror over here, so we'll be looking over here a little bit too. And then I just, in circular motions, I buff the foundation in. And don't forget to blend down your neck. And don't worry, I will be going in with the beauty blender as well to really work in the foundation. And then I think I will be going in with one more pump. So I have one more pump. And then I go into my problem spots, which are usually around my eyes and around here where I have like pigment spots. And as you can see, it covers really nicely. I do love this foundation a lot. A brush always gives the better coverage in my opinion, but usually it kind of gets tricky. So I personally like to go in with a beauty blender afterwards, and I already have my beauty sponge right here, and I'll take the rest of my hand, and then I just kind of go over my entire face again and really work the foundation in. So it really gets one with my skin. And the tone I am using is NC15. And don't forget the hairline and the ears, of course, because you will want to look the same color everywhere. All right. So the foundation has been worked in pretty nicely, I believe. I don't see any streaks anymore. And now it's time to go in with the Pro Longwear concealer, as well in the color NC15. This concealer I love because this is one of the only one that doesn't crease, for me at least. So I really, really like it. And then you go in with like a little pump. Usually it comes out a little bit too much, but that's okay. And then I go in with the top of my sponge and I just, you know, take a little and I go under my eyes, and that's where I usually highlight in a triangle shape. And this one covers really nicely. I go over my eyes before I put on any eye makeup. And I do the other eye. Do you make funny faces too when you do your makeup? Like, you know, doing the mouth thing? And I definitely do. Doing mascara. I look funny when I do lipstick, I believe. As you can see, it gives a really nice highlight under the eyes. And then what I like to do too is I go around my mouth, because that's where I have pigment spots and I want to have them covered as best as possible. If I want to look flawless, you know. Alright, and then I like to go over the back of my nose a little bit, because that's where I have spots too that need to be covered. And I always take concealer. And then I go over with the big side again and just kind of make sure everything's kind of blended together, even and nicely. And then what I also like to do is I take my MAC Face Plus and I kind of wet my sponge, like just a tiny little bit. And then I just kind of go over it again, just to really make sure everything's really nicely blended. All right, so I think everything looks pretty blended. I like how this foundation makes my skin look. I feel like it really covers nicely, but not all too much. I mean, you could build it up to like full coverage, but I'm not all about that full coverage. You know, I like my spots, my things to shine through, just to make it look more natural. But yeah, that's the foundation. And then, you know, I usually go and set it with powder and, you know, put highlight, blush, bronzer, all the steps. But I just wanted to show you how I put on my foundation. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more foundation videos, tutorials, whatnot, please let me know and I will get them to you. Until next time, leave me a comment down below and leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!